For the customs of the heathen are vain. Vain means what? Vain means lies.
For one cutteth a tree out of the forest.
Read it again.
For one cutteth a tree out of the forest.
For one cutteth a tree out of the forest.
The work of the hands of the workman with the axe.
Meaning there's an axeman that cuts the tree out of the forest. Then that tree that they just cut down, they decorate it with silver and with gold. What holiday is this talking about that originated in ancient Babylon? That they cut a tree down out of the forest and they decorate it with silver and gold. Come on.
They fasten it with nails and with hammers that move not.
Then they hammer this tree down with nails and hammers. Today you got a tree stand. But back in ancient times, they literally did that. Go ahead.
They are upright as the palm tree.
They're upright as what?
As the palm tree.
They are upright as the palm tree. Because originally in ancient Babylon, the tree that was used that they decorated with silver and gold was the palm tree.